Today, I'm going to show you how to manually add bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Now choose the type of transaction you want to enter. Use expense if money was spent. Use check if you paid by check. Use bank deposit if money came into your account. Use transfer if money moved between two accounts. Choose the option that matches what actually happened in your bank account. Next, fill in the transaction details. Enter the payee or customer name, the transaction date, the payment method, and the bank or credit card account involved. Make sure you choose the correct account because this is where QuickBooks will record the money coming in or going out. Now choose the correct category. For example, software payments can go under software or subscriptions, supply purchases can go under office supplies, and customer payments can go under the correct income account. Add a short memo or description so you know what the transaction was for. If you have a receipt or document, attach it to the transaction. If your company uses classes, locations, or projects, add those details as well. Before saving, review the amount, date, account, category, tax settings, and total. Make sure the amount matches your bank record exactly. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If you're entering more transactions, you can click Save and New instead. QuickBooks will now add the transaction to the correct account and update your reports. One important note, if you use bank feeds, do not add the same transaction twice. If the transaction later appears in your bank feed, match it to the one you already entered instead of adding it again, and that's how to manually add bank transactions in QuickBooks Online in 2026.